In this session, let us understand functional programming. Functional programming is a style that is supported by many programming languages for the benefits it offers. In order to appreciate the benefits of functional programming, we basically need to understand three important concepts of a functional program. The first one is data and functions are kept separate. So in order to understand this, let us have a comparison with object-oriented style, where data and functions are tightly bound to each other. So as you can see here, in this code snippet, the data and function are closely related or tightly related to each other. Typically, the variable age. Which is updated by the function updateAge. So this is the nature of object-oriented style. In a functional style, we keep the data and the function separately. And the data is typically represented using constructs like arrays and hashes. So if we were to represent similar functionality using functional style, we can write it this way. So as you can see here, we have data represented separately and the function represented separately. And to the function, we pass in the data as the parameter or argument, and within the function, we make use of a copy of the object and operate on that copy rather than the original. So what is the benefit of keeping the data and the functions separately? The benefit is we get immediate polymorphism, or polymorphism is very easy. So here we have three objects, car1, movie1 and developer1, all having age, and so we can call updateAge on these objects and we get polymorphism immediately. While this is definitely possible using object-oriented style as well, that would be typically more complex and messy. So that is the first concept of a functional style. Data and functions are separate. The second concept is state change is avoided or mutability is avoided. This allows for easy debugging. So here you can see variable title having the value functional style, and later the value is changed to functional style demystified, and then later we change the case to uppercase. So this is a very simple snippet, but in a typical complex program or a script, if we have such a kind of nature wherein we keep on changing the value of a variable, it is very difficult to keep track of the state changes and is error prone. So in functional style, we avoid that by creating immutable values. So as you can see here, we create separate constants, title, wide strong title, and avoid state changes. Yeah, of course we are making use of or creating three separate constants, but this allows for easy debugging. So that is the second concept, state change is avoided in functional style. The third concept is, in a functional style, functions are treated as first class citizens. Just like you can assign a integer or any other data type to a variable, you can also assign a function to a variable just like that. Hence, functions are treated as first-class citizens. And since functions are treated as first-class citizens, you can pass in the function itself as a parameter to a function, and also return a function. Having this support is very flexible and allows for code reusability. So these are the three important concepts of functional programming style. Data and functions being separate, mutability is avoided, and functions are treated as first-class citizens. Thank you.